Hello friends. Friends, today in this lesson, maps, directions and maps of standard 4, today we are going to do this fun activity. Okay. It is a very nice and playful activity. Let us see how to do this. Now here first they have asked us to make a compass rose. Now what is a compass rose? It is an instrument which is used to determine the various directions. But here, since we cannot use the instrument, we have to make a compass rose like this on a small card paper. Okay, make it in a small paper so that when we fix it on the map, we will be able to see the surrounding places. Okay. Now here, what is the first question they have told? First, use the compass rose made earlier to read the map given below. So this is a compass rose, students. Okay. Place the rose on bead and make a list of all the districts that are situated along the main directions and sub-directions. Repeat this activity for other districts. Now here they have told us to use this compass rose by locating it on the district called as bead. And after locating it on bead, what we have to do? We have to write the names of the districts which comes on the 4 main directions and the sub-directions. Okay. Now let us start. This compass rose, we have to keep it on bead. Where is bead? Bead is over here. So let us keep it on this district, bead. Okay. Now I have kept it on the bead district. Now let us see which cities come in the directions and sub-directions. Which district? Sorry. Now here if you see, towards the east, we are having Nanded. Okay. Towards the east, we are having Nanded. So I will write over here East Nanded. Next, let us see which district is coming towards the west. Now west, here which district is coming? We can say Pune. Okay, Pune is towards the west only. We can take the example of Pune. So west, Pune. Then towards the north, directly it is seen, Buldana. Then south if you see, south we can take the state Karnataka. Okay. Then towards the northeast or northwest, we will take northwest. We can write Aurangabad also. Here Aurangabad is there. So northwest, Aurangabad. Next is northeast. We can take Yavatmal. Then southwest we can take Satara. And then towards the southeast, 1 minute, let me check, students. Southeast we can take Latur. Okay, so like this we can find out the various districts in various regions, various directions using this compass rose. Now what is the next question? Place the rose at the center of a state and note the location of your district in the state. Now say, center of the state means we can take, I think here we can take, this is the center. We can consider this as the center. Okay, so now we have to place this compass rose at the center of the state map. And we have to see where is our district. Where do we live? Our district is Mumbai. So here is Mumbai. Okay. So Mumbai is towards which direction? Towards the west direction. So what you will write? Mumbai district towards the west direction. Okay. Like this we have to do this activity. Okay. Thank you, students.